Good evening. No, I am not Hitchcock. My name is Kelly, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting here watching the fire and enjoying a warm evening at home. But the actuality is, uh, the fire is on the TV, and I'm here in my cabin in the middle of nowhere. You see that? And I'm gonna go ask my neighbors if I can take their dogs for a walk. Now, my mother used to tell me that the snow may not be very deep, but excuse me, but it sure is long. This is the deepest I've seen the snow around here. Let's see how it goes. Hello.